It's tough to compete with promotional products distributors and decorators that have sophisticated graphics capabilities. These companies operate as creative agencies and aren't just brokering logos on stuff. They use a merchandising approach and develop graphical themes for their clients that drive sales and create demand. Companies offering creative services use graphics to gain market share. The "my clients provide me with the artwork" approach to promotional products is not a growth strategy, it's a path of least resistance. With huge online resellers gobbling up market share and commoditizing the industry, setting yourself apart with a graphics capability is more important than ever. Unless your clients are big brands, a product decorated with the corporate logo isn't going to motivate a consumer to purchase or excite an employee. Corporate logos are foundational for uniforms, but is an employee or a customer going to get excited about wearing merch with just the company logo? Probably not. People want to wear merch that matches their lifestyle or emulates popular retail trends. What sets the top promotional products distributors apart is they operate as creative agencies for their customers. They're bringing fresh ideas to their clients that will encourage them to buy more, will sell better, but also align with the company's corporate culture. They're building enthusiasm into their products using graphics, not just putting logos on stuff. Let me show you how GraphicsFlow members leverage our technology to step up their creative services. You can edit the thousands of GraphicsFlow design templates in the web app using a PC, Mac, phone, or tablet. You can change the text, replace and edit clipart, modify colors, and output a production-ready vector file that can be further edited in a popular graphics program such as Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW, or Affinity Designer. Anyone in your organization, including the sales and support staff, can quickly and easily get a customized design in front of a client. There's no need to have a professional graphics application or graphic designer to customize the thousands of designs in GraphicsFlow. Unlike other online design applications, you're editing complex vector files that originated in Adobe Illustrator, not simple SVG files like other platforms. This gives you the full complement of visual effects such as multi-layer text effects, complex text envelopes, and weathered overlays. You can also output spot colors for screen printing. You're not limited to simple RGB graphics like other platforms. Art requests are processed through an art portal that is embedded into your website. Clients can browse through thousands of production-ready vector graphics in a wide variety of styles and subject matter. Once your client picks designs, they submit a design request, the design request is received, and you're notified via email. You can assign the request to a sales or customer service person. There's no need for a designer to get involved. The corresponding graphic can be modified in the GraphicsFlow app and returned to the client in minutes using our art approval function. Once the file is approved by your client, you're notified in the app as well as via email. You can download a production-ready PDF, CDR, or PNG file that can be forwarded to your supplier or your production department. GraphicsFlow enables you to compete head-to-head with companies with a sophisticated graphics capability. We provide technology that empowers any organization to create customized graphics at the highest level. We also provide website integration where your clients can search, select, and submit graphics for customization. You don't need a graphic designer to customize our designs. If you do have a graphic design team, GraphicsFlow will streamline the creative process and reduce your art development costs. GraphicsFlow is the solution that the industry's been waiting for. Get beyond selling logos on stuff and leverage the selling power of graphics to grow your business with GraphicsFlow.